and feeling so low. Took my hands, mine. I was astray, you showed me the way. Now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me slow as the days went on. You made me believe it. I was lost in the dark, with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home, made me your own. Now look who's there to lend a helping hand, where good friends was hard to find. My days went wrong, you made them right. You made my days so bright. You made me live in. I was lost in the dark, with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. This other hand, you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. You made me live again. My favorite! My God! I love this. Wake up, the morning's over. The bed is soft and warm where we lay. I dreamed the whole night through, and how I said to you all the things my heart wants to say. Last night you heard me crying, 'cause I had never loved men before. And I guess the tears were falling, just a little girl was lost. Now I'm not crying anymore. This girl is turning to our man, and dream of this moment all my life. This girl has turned into a man, and I thank you for your tenderness last night. I've never seen your head lying on the pillow. I've never seen your body without clothes. I can't believe this feeling I've discovered. Knowing sure is just what every lover knows. Now I won't claim to your promise, and if love's gone tomorrow, don't pretend. But right now I'm in love, and that's all I'm thinking of. And I hope this feeling never ever ends. This girl has turned into a woman, and I dream of this moment all my life. This girl has turned into a woman, and I thank you for your tenderness last night. And I want to love you once again tonight. Na naman natin kumanta. Isa pa. Love song. I love. I wanna pull down from the sky. I wanna live a day that never dies. I wanna change the world only for you. All the impossible I wanna do. I wanna hold you close under the rain. I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain. I know what's beautiful looking at you, and what a life you are true. And baby, every time you What's up? Mega love shoutout sa lahat. Ayan, kanta tayo ng Broken Angel. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart. You are the one. Miss you so much, nowhere to go. Don't be afraid. I'll be on your side, leading the way. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart. I'm so lonely, broken angel. Come and save me before I fall apart. It's again, feeling low, don't want to end. Two worlds apart, less than a dream, it's breaking my heart. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart. I'm a lonely, broken angel. Come and save me before I fall apart. La 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 la. Hello guys, practice tayo ulit. Minsan natikman ang hintang iyong halik. Akala ko narating ko na ang ulap sa langit. Sa aking pagpikit, ang tanging naisip, ikaw na sa hanggang wakas aking pag-ibig. Ngunit biglang nagbago ka, hindi na madama. Kapag kapiling na kita, nalalamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Na akala ko'y langit, ninalularo mo lang mga pusong naiglip. Sa yakap mo ang nagayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon hinahanap pa rin ang lason mong halik. Ang kantang Tagalog na bago lang paubaya. Ayan, practicein natin guys. Saan nagsimula magbago ang lahat? Na nung ako'y di na naging sapat. Ba't di mo sinabi nung una pa lang? Ako ang kailangan, pero di ang mahal. Saan nagkulang ang paging pagmamahal? Lahat ay binigay ng mapangiti ka lang. Ba't di ko nakita na ayaw mo na? Ako ang kasama, pero hanap mo siya. Ako masaya ka sa piling niya, hindi ko na pipilit pa. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa kanya, huwag kang paluhain at alagaan ka niya. For you, this song, I dedicate to you only. Saan natigil ang pagiging totoo? Sa tuwing mababanggit na mahal mo ako. Ba't di mo inamin nung una pa lang? Ako ang kayakap, pero isip mo siya. Ako masaya ka sa piling niya, hindi ko na pipilit pa. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa kanya, huwag kang paluhain at alagaan ka niya. Di ko naisip na mayroong hanggan. Ko yung nauna, pero siya ang wakas. At kita man sa iyong mga mata, bakit pinili mo siya? Hirap na ba na nang tinadhana, pinapaubaya, pinapaubaya, pinapaubaya ko na sa kanya. I feel it. Every day I need to change this. This for bucket for the chicks. Look, now it's new. Good morning, Pads. I'm here again. Feeding. Maybe we have rats here. Look, they eat the food. Okay, let's eat now. My God. Look. This is new, okay? This is pool and pool water. Yes, I feel pool because the rats. Do you want to kiss the chicks? This is all white, look. It's crying. Don't cry. Oh. Say kiss to mommy. I'm the mommy of these chicks. Every day I change in feeding. Change the water. Smell bad. It's change the pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. They're all 13. Yummy. This is the first batch. Look. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12, that's all. Look, it's grow up now. Look. 12, that's all. And the 2 roasted. Oh my God. It's sick. Oh my God. I'm sick again.